Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing last video I couldn't get it up because I just couldn't. So we're gonna try. So you guys probably didn't see it because I couldn't get it up. So we're gonna try this again. Okay. I do a quest. No, not. Why do I keep on hitting that? It's this. From the red smoke. So guys, today we're gonna be trying to get, because we got this last episode but it didn't go up, so that's the next one's gonna be a lot more. So we're gonna try to get this shuffle. Okay? And this is usually, I usually make this during the afternoon, but I'm making it early today, so, yeah. What even is that? Oh, someone has a riding lawnmower. Okay, guys. I know what we're gonna be doing. I know he's gonna be doing something big, but I didn't do that, so we're gonna be doing it next time. So okay, guys. It's got pretty small con. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, you guys, let's go. No, we're pretty far in this quest. We almost got the quest done. Just need a tea. Okay, you guys, I'm not usually this quiet. This video, it might be pretty much not as long because I'm gonna be doing another video today. That's gonna be at like 1 o'clock. So if you guys want to see it, you can. So there are different quests, you guys, but I'm just not using different quests. So yeah, keep on going. Inside the pink house. Inside the pink house. Oh, this is where we left off. This is where we left off. Mom, look.
What am I looking at?
This. Look what I did to the grass.
I can't. What is it that time?
I broke the grass, guys. I'm just telling Mom. My mom that I made the grass go really small by digging it with a shovel. That's what it is, Mom. Here we go, and here we go, here we go, here we go. You like my shades, everybody, in my face? In Roblox? Don't. Here we go, here we go. Okay. Okay, you guys. No, yeah. I'm gonna use my garden home. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Mommy, I wanted, I'll tell you, okay guys, we're gonna be ending the video in like 2 minutes, so we don't have that much time left. We'll try to finish this quest. Okay. Okay. Guys, we might be recording, we might be recording Phantom Forces or Jailbreak. Comment down below which one you want me to record next. Don't know. A lot of people record Jailbreak. Not that much people record Phantom Forces. So, I think I will be trying to do Phantom Forces. But I'll probably do Jailbreak again. So, yep. Okay, guys, I just gotta keep on going, 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 keep on going. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Make the progress bar go up high. Make it high. High and go to the sky. Make it go up high and go to the sky. Make it go up high and go to the sky. Okay. We are almost done. 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 Okay, here we go. Here we go. We go. Okay. We have to head to the dumpster. Go. Okay, keep on going. Okay, keep on going. Okay, you guys, we just gotta keep on going. Okay, we did that. There's also different ones I'll show you guys. See, there's different ones. Yeah. Here we go. Do. Everybody, thanks for you guys watching. We will be ending here. Everybody, thanks for watching today's video, and see y'all guys next time, and bye.